In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter the Ghana Cedi sign on Word. If you are typing on Word and you need to enter the Ghana Cedi sign, this is how you can do it. So it's simple and easy. All you need to do is move to your insert here. So at the insert, you move to this side, which is, you can see symbol here. Tap on the symbol here so you can see Ghana Cedi sign here. So this is number one because I've been entering Ghana Cedi sign on my Word. So if you don't see it, just tap on the more symbol here and then you scroll. You can see here. So on your screen, just use your eye to, check this. You can see on this side, when you tap on this side, that's where you're going to find the Ghana Cedi sign. So there's the Ghana Cedi sign here. You tap on that and then you tap on the insert and it should reflect on your page. You get it. So let me close it and you can see it reflects here. So it's simple. You move to your insert here, move to your symbol. You can see the symbol here. You can tap on that and it appears here. If you can't see it here, you can move to the more symbols, move to this side, and then you tap on it like this. You move to insert and then you close it and it should appear here. So that's it on how you can enter the Ghana Cedi sign on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.